Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic grammar, chapter 8, tenses. Okay. First, listen carefully. A verb form that show time of an action is called tense. A verb form that show times of an action is called tense. Okay. First, there are the three major form of tense. First one present tense, second one past tense, third one future tense. Okay, each tense has four different form. First one simple, second one continuous, third one perfect, fourth one perfect continuous. Okay, thus we have 12 different tenses. They are present tense, present simple, past simple, future simple, fourth one present continuous, fifth one past continuous, sixth one future continuous, seventh one present perfect, eighth one past perfect, ninth one future perfect, tenth one present perfect continuous, 11th one past perfect continuous, 12th one future perfect continuous. Okay, we shall deal here with the first 5 tenses only, and you will learn the other 7 tenses also. Okay, first symbol. Okay, next for present symbol we use verb. The singular subject takes verb plus is or is or es. Okay, the symbol present tense is generally used for an action that is done regularly or for something that happens every day. Okay, like usually, generally, every day, sometimes, always are used to express simple present tense. Okay, the singular subject takes verb plus yes or es. Okay, for example, they go to school daily. They go to school daily. The sun rises in the east. He goes to school daily. Okay, second one past symbol. Past symbol we use verb to for singular and plural subject. Singular and plural subject. The past tense refers to action that took place in the past. Okay. For example, he went to school daily. They went to school daily. The dog barked at the thief. Okay. Third one, future symbol. Future symbol we use will, shall plus verb. Will, shall plus verb. Okay, first. Okay, next one present continuous tense. We use is, am, or plus verb plus ing. Present continuous we use is, am, or plus verb plus ing for to show the action is in progress as is incomplete at the moment speaking or writing. Then one adverb at adverbial phrases such as now, at present, at this moment. Okay, for example, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? Then my mother is making sweet at this moment. Okay, for example, birds are singing in the trees. Okay, is am or plus verb plus ing. The sun is rising in the east. Second one past continuous we use was, were plus verb plus ing. Was, were, verb plus ing to show that an action was commenced before and finished after a given moment or period of time in the past. For example, she was telling the truth. It was raining yesterday. Birds were flying to their nests. Okay. Okay, student. Then now let's see book exercise. Take page number 42. Test yourself. Roman 1. Choose the correct word for each blank. First one, the sun shines in the sky. Second one, the stars shine at night. Third one, we go to school by bus. Fourth one, he goes to school by bus. Okay, take page number 43. Second Roman, tell the tense of the verb in each sentence. Okay, first question answer present simple. Second one past simple. Third one future simple. Fourth one present simple. Fifth one past simple. Sixth one future simple. Okay. So, third Roman, rewrite each sentence in the simple past tense verb to. Okay. Second one, farmers grew crops. Farmers grew crops. Third one, the cow gave milk. Fourth one, she wasted her time. Fifth one, my friends helped me. Sixth one, boys played in the park. Okay. Fourth Roman, rewrite each sentence in the simple future tense. Simple future tense. Will, shall plus verb 1. First, second one, he will get late for school. Third one, they will go for lunch. Fourth one, I shall finish my work in time. Fifth one, she will live with her mother. Sixth one, the nurse will look after the child. Okay, page number 44. First Roman, rewrite each sentence in the present continuous tense. First one, birds are singing in the trees. Second one, the peon is ringing the bell. Third one, the sun is rising in the east. Fourth one, farmers are blacking their fields. Fifth one, the moon is shining in the sky. Sixth one, the boys are making a noise in the class. Second Roman, rewrite each sentence in the past continuous tense. Okay. First one, she was telling the truth. Second one, it was raining yesterday. Third one, he was going to the doctor. Fourth one, birds were flying to their nests. Fifth one, she was writing a letter to father. Sixth one, the policeman was running after the thief. Okay, thank you.